Hello guys, good morning. Eto na naman si Dora Dora. Gagawa lang po ako ng breakfast. Okay, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning. Magbe-breakfast pa lang po ako. So, ito po yung aking breakfast. Uh, one egg, and meron po akong avocado yan sa ilalim. Yung ilalim niya may avocado, and the side dish with corn, and I have banana and coffee. This is my breakfast, guys. Just wanted to see you how I create my breakfast, my lunch, and my dinner. Okay, guys? So, hope you like my breakfast. I hope everybody are having a breakfast already this time. Okay, guys. So, see you again. Take care. Babuski.